ارتحلت الدنيا مدبرة وارتحلت الآخرة مقبلة ولكل واحدة منهما بنون فكونوا من أبناء الآخرة ولا تكونوا من أبناء الدنيا فإن اليوم عمل ولا حساب وغدا حساب ولا عمل. Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, the life of this world is quickly departing and the life of the hereafter is quickly approaching. And each one of them has its children. So be children of the hereafter, not children of this world. For today there are deeds without reckoning, but tomorrow there will be reckoning without deeds. In this life, even an atom's worth of good is accepted if done with sincerity. In the hereafter, the whole world in gold would do you no good. And in every moment of the day of judgment, from when you rise from your grave to when you take your place in the assembly, from when you are brought forth to be held accountable by your Lord, to when you are taken to the scale for your scrolls to be weighed, from when you prepare to cross the bridge to your anticipated arrival at the gates of paradise, there are good deeds that you have sent forth that will come to your aid. Deeds that will take you by your hand and testify on your behalf, that will settle your feet and shade you from the scorching heat, that will light your way in the darkness and guide you to the abode of eternal delight. So do not ask your Lord when the day of judgment will be, but ask yourself, what deeds have you prepared?